When to seek medical help. Baby not rolling over.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an important milestone in your baby's development, rolling over. You might be feeling concerned if your baby is not yet showing signs of rolling over, so let's discuss when it might be necessary to seek medical attention.
What's the normal age for a baby to roll over?
On average, most babies start rolling over between 3 to 6 months of age. Initially, this movement might be accidental. With time, they become more deliberate as babies start developing better control over their body. However, remember that every baby develops at their own pace, so there can be some variations in the exact timing.
When should I start worrying?
Generally, if your baby hasn't started to roll over by the age of 6 months, it may be worth discussing with your pediatrician. This doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem. Some babies just take a bit longer to reach this milestone. However, it's always a good idea to seek professional advice if you're worried. Consistent lack of progress in motor skills could be a sign of developmental delay.
Are there other signs to look out for?
In addition to not rolling over, there are other signs that may indicate a developmental delay. These include lack of response to loud noises, not bringing objects to mouth, difficulty lifting head while on tummy. If your baby exhibits any of these signs along with not rolling over, it's essential to contact your pediatrician for further assessment.
What can I do to encourage my baby to roll over?
There are several ways you can encourage your baby to roll over. This includes tummy time, using toys as motivators, or gently rolling them over yourself to give them a sense of the movement. Remember, your interaction and encouragement play a crucial role in your baby's development. Just remember, every child's developmental journey is unique, and it's important not to compare your baby to others. It's normal to worry about your baby's development, but it's essential to remember that all babies grow and develop at their own pace. However, if you're worried or if you notice that your baby isn't reaching developmental milestones, it's always best to reach out to a healthcare professional for advice. We hope this video has been helpful and thank you for watching.